Namaste, everyone. I'm your cPanel guide from the YouStable team. You're starving, and you placed an order for your favorite pizza online. The doorbell rings, you're excited. But instead of your pizza, the delivery guy hands you someone else's cold salad. Now you're annoyed, confused, and still hungry. Sounds familiar? Well, the same thing happens when someone visits your subdomain, like blog.youstable.com, and ends up on a blank page or the wrong website. It's frustrating, unprofessional, and it can lose you visitors. That's why in this video, I'll show you how to redirect your subdomain to the correct external URL, so your users always get exactly what they're looking for. And if you're hosting your website with YouStable, you're already ahead. Their fast DNS setup, clean cPanel interface, and expert support make redirection effortless. No more mix-ups, no more cold salads, just the right content delivered instantly. So let's fix your subdomain redirection. Let's get started. Let's learn how to redirect a subdomain. Scroll down to the Domains section and click Redirects. First, we have to select the type of the redirect, keeping this notification written under the ADD redirect heading in mind. Select the subdomain you want to redirect. Leave it blank. Enter the destination URL, where you want the visitors to be redirected to. Scroll down. The second option, redirect with or without, at www. Redirects all the users. Now, click the Add button. That's it. Now click the Go Back button. Scroll down to the bottom of the page. Notice that the subdomain is now redirected to the entered URL. Thank you for watching.